Welcome to our review of the 2025 Porsche Taycan, a high-performance electric sports car that combines luxury with cutting-edge technology. This all-electric vehicle is designed to offer a thrilling and comfortable driving experience while being environmentally friendly. The 2025 Taycan offers several variants, including the Taycan 4S, Taycan Turbo, and Taycan Turbo S. The Taycan 4S model impresses with an EPA estimated range of up to 227 miles on a single charge. The Turbo S variant, however, offers enhanced performance with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.6 seconds, thanks to its dual-motor all-wheel drive system. The Taycan is equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack. The largest battery option offers a capacity of 93.4 kilowatt-hours, ensuring long-range capability. Porsche's turbocharging network provides fast charging, adding up to 80% of range in just 22.5 minutes. Step inside the Taycan to experience a blend of luxury and sportiness. The interior features high-quality materials, a sleek design, and customizable ambient lighting. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with options for heating and ventilation. The spacious cabin ensures that both front and rear passengers enjoy a comfortable ride. The centerpiece of the Taycan's interior is the 16.8-inch curved display, which controls the Porsche Communication Management (PCM) system. This system includes navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and access to a suite of apps. The Taycan also supports over-the-air software updates, ensuring the vehicle remains up-to-date with the latest features and improvements. Safety is a top priority for Porsche. The Taycan comes equipped with Porsche InnoDrive, a suite of advanced safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The Taycan has earned top safety ratings, providing peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. The Taycan delivers a dynamic driving experience with its instant torque and agile handling. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, enhances stability and cornering performance. The regenerative braking system extends the driving range and provides a smooth, responsive driving experience. The 2025 Porsche Taycan comes in several trim levels. Taycan 4S, starting at $103,800. This variant offers a range of up to 227 miles and includes features like heated seats and a premium audio system. Taycan Turbo, priced at $150,900, this model provides a range of up to 212 miles and adds features like a panoramic sunroof and enhanced interior materials. Taycan Turbo S, starting at $185,000. This variant offers the best performance with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 2.6 seconds, upgraded brakes, and a sportier suspension. Additional options include Performance Battery Plus, available for an extra $6,000. This option enhances the driving range and performance. Technology Package, for $5,000. This package adds advanced driver assistance features and premium audio systems. Advantages: exceptional performance and handling, luxurious and sporty interior, access to Porsche's turbocharging network, advanced safety features and driver assistance, over-the-air software updates. Concerns: higher starting price compared to some competitors, a limited range compared to some other EVs. In conclusion, the 2025 Porsche Taycan is a masterpiece of performance and luxury in the electric vehicle market. Its blistering acceleration, precise handling, and state-of-the-art technology make it an irresistible choice for those ready to embrace the future of driving. The Taycan seamlessly blends comfort, safety, and advanced features, offering an unparalleled driving experience. If you're seeking a high-performance electric vehicle that epitomizes luxury and cutting-edge design, the Porsche Taycan should be your top pick. Take the leap into the future with this exceptional EV and elevate your driving experience to new heights.